These, I understand, are the main characteristics or ways of operating in trading. However, there are others, such as those people who operate with news, that is, they wait for the appearance of some type of news to operate based on it. We could also consider another way of trading, which is through the long term. In this case, as we have talked about previously, we could consider it as a long-term investor. For this last case, it is important to mention that this type of investors generally use what is called fundamental analysis to carry out their operations, a term that we will later explain, as well as the term technical analysis that will also be the subject of study in the next materials you create. However, although this type of investors uses fundamental analysis primarily, that does not mean that they do not use technical analysis, since the latter is very useful to consider the moments of entry into financial assets, as well as the moments of exit.